so many things that you're just so candid about, your sort of sense of empowerment, being a feminist. What does that actually mean to you?
You know what, I don't know how I've stumbled upon this word feminism. Actually, it first happened and then it occurred, you know, it first happened to me,
right.
And then I figured out, oh, maybe I am a feminist. So I think I'm just born with this strong sense of you know, just equality, just the universal law of equality, you know, that not just me but all of us are, you know, like whether it's children or you know, men, women, homosexuals, it's just
Prostitutes, as you mentioned in that piece, that there's no need to shame people for professions. You know, you've spoken on sort of multiplications, and you've been so frank about so many things, you know, whether it's about, you know, again, the sort of pejoratives that people casually give to those with mental health issues, people who are forced into perhaps the sex trade. You've spoken up very vitally for those in the past. These are, and these are not takes we hear very often. That kind of candor.
Yeah, but I'm just I am very grateful to God that I'm just born with that that, you know, that inherent sense of justice and sense of equality, and that's how I treat everyone around me, and that can also sometimes make me come across a bit cold, because I do not believe that if someone is pretending to be less than everyone else, I would not believe in that sort of, you know, because you're just not trying. So people just think, oh, she doesn't understand our problems, you know, but I truly honestly believe that you're not believing that you're an equal. Otherwise you would not believe that you don't deserve these opportunities, or maybe these are not for you, maybe, you know, like you can't lead your life. So but I truly genuinely believe that we're all supposed to have our lives the way we want.